What's up mga basketball? Welcome back to our channel. This is Owen, also known as Basketbolerong Bano at your service. Alright, so this time po, I decided to unbox 3 Air Jordan shoes. Actually, these 3 Air Jordan shoes are considered as iconic shoes. Alright? So, I just want to share po my experience of getting these shoes na I thought I have to line up. That I thought may hirapan po akong makakuha. But, in my surprise, wala pong line up. I just went to the store and I got my own pair. Wala pong line up. So maybe nag-give up na po. O I mean, nag-move on na yung mga Air Jordan shoe collectors. O maybe because of the inflation, mahirap na pong bumili ng sapatos. So, I really don't know the reason. But I think, in just my own observation, I think Nike are mass producing these iconic shoes. So, I don't have any complaint. Kasi po, meron po talagang mga Air Jordan shoe fan na parehas ko, na all we want is to have these shoes. Okay? So, I'm glad. I have no complaint. I'm just enjoying the shoes. Alright. So, again, Air Jordan 1. Let's do it. Okay, let's start po dito sa Air Jordan 1 High Black Toe. So, ang ganda po ng box niya. Right? See? As you can remember, meron po akong magazine na ito po yung centerfold. Okay? Look at him. Napakabata pa po niya to. Right? So, Jordan 1 Black Toe. Okay, labas na po natin. Okay, nahulog po yung resibo. So, this is final sale. No return, no exchange. Anyways, I have no plan to return this back. Alright. Okay. Let's do it, mga basketball. Okay. Ito po yan. Look. Ang ganda po ng leather niya. Okay? So, hindi po kayo, wala pong nahirapan na makakuha nitong basketball shoe ito. I mean, this iconic shoe. Alright? So, again, dalawa po yung sintas niya. You can put red or black. Alright? And look at this. Air Jordan. Okay? Wala pa po yung wing logo niya. Okay? Wala pa po. Air Jordan. So, instead pong yung wing logo, ito lang pong Air Jordan. Okay? So, OG po to. So, kung anong lumabas noon, way back 80s, so, ibinalik lang po nila. Okay? Kaya nga po, retro. So, napakaganda pong Air Jordan 1 shoe na to. Okay? No complain. Right? Napakabango po niya. Okay. So ito po, nang mag-release po to, we are in Tokyo. So I went to the Jordan World of Flight sa Shibuya. So I asked them. So members only lang. Okay? So hindi po ako nakabili doon. So buti na lang po, pagbalik ko, pumunta ko agad sa Nike and mayroon pa pong tira, and I got my own pair. So I'm so happy po. Okay. So siguro po yung mga Air Jordan fan po ay makaka-relate sa akin. Dapat po kasi mayroon po kayo nito. Look at this. Air Jordan 1 Low Rookie of the Year. Ang ganda po ng leather niya. Okay? So if you don't know anything about Air Jordan Rookie of the Year, Google it. Okay? Okay. So I'm wondering kung kailan po sila mag-release nung Rookie of the Year or Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year high. Alright? So, pero I'm good with this. Okay? So Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year. So maganda po yung leather niya. And of course, yung colorway niya, I have no complaint. Maganda po ang colorway niya. So syempre, yung t-shirt ni Michael Jordan nung kinuha niya yung Rookie of the Year award ay brown. Ganito pong kulay. Kaya po ang colorway ng Air Jordan 1 Rookie of the Year ay ganito po. Okay? Alright. Okay? Let's do it. Last but not the least. Okay, so kung mapagmamasdan nyo po, the box is the same with the Lost and Found. Diba? Yung medyo para pong lumang-luma. Right? Diba? Okay. Air Jordan 1 Carolina. Okay. So I really don't know kung north and south. So that's why I just said Jordan 1 Carolina. Look at this mga basketball. Napakaganda po. Okay? So of course, nung naglalaro pa ng college, si Michael Jordan, of course he's wearing Converse during that time. Pero ganito po yung colorway. So syempre, gagawa ang Nike ng kanilang version. So ito ang colorway. Okay? Yung uniform ni Michael Jordan is light blue and white, right? Okay? So you have, of course, the same, of course, as usual, dalawa yung color ng sintas niya or shoelace. You can have light blue or white. Okay. Look at this mga basketball. Wow. I love it. Grabe. Ang bango ng pagbago. So, tingnan nyo to, para rin talaga siyang luma. Okay, tingnan mo yung leather niya. Oh. Right? So maybe this is a Air Jordan 1 Carolina reimagine, right? So, paki-comment na lang po. If you can give me an idea kung south or north. Wala lang po akong oras. So, nagmamadali po akong mag-unbox ngayon. Okay? Because there's a lot. I'm sure that I have to unbox. Okay? So, I love this colorway, right? So, I was surprised kasi as usual, hindi po ako maaga. Of course, because of my age. So, nagbaka sakali lang ako. But I know the release date. So, I went and look, I got my pair. Okay? Okay, thank you very much mga basketball for watching and listening. And thank you again to my 235 subscribers. And see you whenever.